Hello people, now for this round I'm going to show you how to make a Steam refund. There are 3 ways to go about this. One is going to your account details. Oh, I'm getting a bit of lag here, sorry about that. But yeah, you can go to purchase history. Well, I do sell a lot of cards, so it's kind of muddying my my purchase list for some reason. Yeah, for example here, you can just request a refund. You can get to this page, but the other option is you can go to help and then Steam support, and there you go. This is where I usually do my refunds. Let's say, so you pick a game. Usually I go for it's not what I expected, request a refund, and you can choose which method to go by. Now, if you purchase via your card, it'll take a while before you can see that it didn't charge your card. But if you wanted to refund directly to your Steam wallet, it will also take a while. The quickest way is actually via PayPal, but it's not showing here right now because my own PayPal got closed down some time ago. It is the easiest way to refund via PayPal. For other methods, it will take at least 2, at most 3 days before it reflects. I usually go with my issue isn't listed, so. Also, before I forget, the game also has to be 14 days from purchase and under 2 hours of game time. For anything over that, there is another method where you will have to write to customer support, but yeah, we can save that for another time. Now, if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment, and if this video helped you out, you can always leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you again.